Hello everybody, welcome. This is Friday, April the 24th, and it's 5A. I'm Teacher Mark, and yeah, it's a blue day, so off we go. I have a few mini lessons in the daily lesson plan, which explain these things in a little bit more detail, but just real quickly, in math, we're just going to do some review today. There's a worksheet similar to the one we did with our Zoom class this week. It just has some different problems, a different number of decimal places and things like that. So just the key thing to remember with multiplying decimals, the multiplying is the same. You sort of line the numbers up, just start multiplying. You don't worry about the decimal point until you have the answer. Then we have to count the decimal points in the two numbers that we multiplied and then count the number of spaces after. You guys, I think, understand this pretty well, but that's just a little hint. So today all we're going to do is a little review. Once you're finished, just send the problems to me and then we're finished. On language arts, also we're just going to do some reading today. And I think it's pretty good reading. Some of the stuff we end up reading about in Wonder, some of the kids don't treat Augie real nice sometimes, so it can be a little, not sad, but hard to read. But today, not like that. It's a little more fun, it's a little more interesting, and I just thought, in keeping with fun, let's just do that today. So there's not really any grammar or any vocabulary words to write down. Just relax and enjoy reading the story, really. So that's language arts. And English, we get to do, I have another video which explains this a bit more, but we're just going to do a little character analysis of August so far. We've got to see him doing many different things and how he reacts to meeting new people and being in new situations, what he's thinking about. So today we just get to think about all those things and try and answer some questions about Augie. Who is his best friend? Why is that person his best friend? Stuff like that. But there's another video which explains it a bit more. And, pardon me, in social studies today, we're going to do a little review activity. It's about the westward expansion that we just saw, the Brain Pop video that we saw the other day. And there's a little worksheet that we're going to go over. It just has a few pictures, and we're going to talk about those things. So it's essentially just a review of the Brain Pop westward expansion thing we saw the other day. And we'll go over that for a little bit. And there's also homework, sadly, where we get to write a letter. Pretend you are a person traveling all the way across the United States in maybe a wagon train, like a covered wagon. Maybe you waited until they built the Transcontinental Railroad, so you didn't have to spend months traveling. But that's what we're going to do today for homework, is just write a letter. Pretend you're one of these people traveling and write a letter to someone at home. Why are you doing this? It's a long trip. It's pretty dangerous. So I have some examples and some ideas as well that I can share with you guys. So that's all we're really going to do today. Should be a pretty good day. I'm excited. But if you guys have any questions before we have our little chat later, just let me know. Otherwise, keep up the good work, and I'll see you guys here hopefully real soon. Bye, guys.